Welcome to English for Professional Mechanical Engineers. My name is Huang Dong-Yong. We have finished the first part of Lego milestones, and I'm going to continue the second part in this video clip. First, what I show here is the Lego milestones kit. As mentioned in part 1, the programmable grid serves as the control center and the power station. The kit features 3 interactive servo motors, 1 infrared sensor system, 1 touch sensor, 1 color sensor, and 1 remote infrared beacon for remote control. In order to build your robot, you need to connect motors and sensors to the programmable brick by cable as shown here in this figure. There are large motors, 1 medium motor, 1 touch sensor, 1 color sensor, 1 gyro, and 1 ultrasonic sensor. And this figure shows the mini USB PC port for connecting to PC, input ports for sensors labeled 1 to 4, and output ports for servo motors labeled from A to D. Then, the display and the buttons enables you to use the EV3 brick interface. You may navigate inside the EV3 brick. Also, you may add text and numerical or graphic responses into your programming. There are 6 buttons on the EV3 brick. First, the back button is used to reverse actions, to abort a running program, and to shut down the EV3 brick. Second, pressing the center button says OK to questions. You press this button to select a checkbox. Third, left, right, up, and down. These 4 buttons are used in navigation. As you manipulate the EV3 brick, the brick status light around the buttons tells you the current status. Here are the codes. Steady red light indicates the EV3 brick is in the process of startup, updating, or shutdown. When the red light passes, the EV3 brick is busy. Similarly, steady orange light indicates the EV3 is on alert, about to ready, while passing orange light indicates the EV3 is on alert, about to running program. And the steady green light indicates the EV3 is ready, while passing green light indicates the EV3 is running program. Well, you might be eager to know when to learn how to manipulate it. Now let's start the journey. Press the center button to turn on the EV3 brick. After you press the button, the brick status light will turn red, and the starting screen will be displayed. When the light changes to green, your EV3 brick is ready. It's important that you know how to turn off an electronic stuff after turning it on. To turn the EV3 brick off, press the back button until you see the shutdown screen. The abort across is selected by default. You press the center button for OK, you return to the Run Recent screen. Use the right button to select the Accept check mark. Then press the center button for OK. The brick status light turns red during shutdown. While building robots is fun, the heart of robotics is bringing them to life, making them move and accomplish tasks. After learning basics of the programmable brick, you may ask how to make robots move. My answer is EV3 executes a series of commands to make a robot perform desired actions, and these commands are coded in programs. Then you may ask how to create a program. Well, you may use the Brick Program app on EV3 or the EV3 software on PC or Macintosh. The icon-based programming interface of LEGO Mindstorm EV3 software is easy and intuitive. It is highly recommended that you use the EV3 software. Hence, I start introducing the EV3 software to you. Every time you open the EV3 software, you will automatically start out on the lobby area. The lobby makes it easy to locate and work with the software and give you access to everything you need. In the lobby, you will find the following options and resources. Lobby tab, Add Project, Robot Missions, Open Recent, Quick Start, News, More Robots. You'll use Add Project to start your programming. When you open a new program, it will automatically create a project for the file. Click on the tab with the range. You will be taken to the Project Property page. Project Property displayed includes 1. Project Description 2. Project Content Overview 3. Daily Train Mode 4. Share. Click on the Program tab. You will be taken to the Programming Environment page. It consists of the following main areas. 1. Programming Canvas. Lay out your program here. 2. Programming Palettes. Find the building blocks for your program here. 3. Hardware page. Establish and manage your communication with the EV3 brick here. This is also where you download program to the EV3 brick. 4. Content Edit. 5. Programming Tools Bar. 5 basic tools for working with your program here. Now I'll quickly show you the programming blocks in the programming palettes. They are action blocks, flow blocks, sensor blocks, data operation blocks, advanced blocks, and my steps. The programming is intuitive. Just drag and drop the desired block from the programming palette into the programming canvas. Here, I'm going to give you 2 simple programming examples. First, I'd like to remind you to do programming step by step. The right-hand side is to make a sound repeatedly until the touch sensor is pressed to break the loop. Then another sound is made to terminate the program. The right-hand side is to control a motor to move 3 times. Both cases are programmed from top to bottom, step by step. The first example can be decomposed into the following 5 steps. 1. Make a simple tone. 2. Wait for press and make a tone. 3. Add a loop. 4. Make a loop last for exact 10 seconds. Make a particular sound after ties up. Well, we have 10 seconds in this case. Similarly, there are 5 steps in the second example. 1. Move straight forward for a certain distance. 2. Pause. 3. Move backwards the same distance. 4. Pause. 5. Move forward for 1 second. Let me show you another simple example. A program commands a robot to move forward and automatically stop for any obstacle ahead. 1. The EV3 powers two motors connected to ports B and C. 2. Add a loop. If the infrared sensor reading is greater than 20, the EV3 continues driving motors. Otherwise, it breaks the loop and ends the program. Now you are ready to do programming. Yet you may start doing later, and I'll continue to show you the rest procedure in order to run the program on the EV3. After your program is finished, you may download it to the EV3 and run the program on it. First, connect the EV3 brick to your computer. You can connect it using a USB cable or make a wireless connection such as Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. When you connect to your iPad or Android tablet, you'll see the connection inquiry screens as shown here. And use the hardware page in programming environment to download programs to the EV3 brick. After the completion of download, navigate the EV3 brick interface to open the program. To run your program, use the left button to navigate to the start block at the very beginning of the program. Press the center button and your program will run. Finally, for your information, I give you the references list. That's all for LEGO Milestones. Hope you'll find this lecture useful. Thank you for watching. Have a good time and see you